Hello guys, welcome to today's video. And in today's video, we are going to look at a case study of one of our clients, and his name is Rahul. And we have taken his entire case study just to understand how a 24-year-old professional who is just starting out in career can invest, and how we at Auris Wealth created his entire wealth bucket. Okay, so uh, basic details about Rahul was he is 24 years old. He started his first job as a software engineer in Pune at 65,000 rupees per month in hand. Current savings at that time he had about 80,000 rupees, which his father had given him. He had no debt or EMI, and he did not have any insurance. When we first had a discussion with him, he just told us that he has a vague goal of that he just want to have enough money so that he should not be in a stressed situation, or he should not worry about money. And second, his goal was to buy a house in next 7 to 10 years, at least a 1 BHK house. And the third goal was, if possible, he wanted to buy a car in next 3 to 4 years with 7 to 8 lakh rupees budget. Okay, so what we did is we created his wealth architecture, his wealth plan. The first step of his plan was to create an emergency and protection fund. Okay, so that he has liquid amount of money if there is any kind of emergency, so that he doesn't have to sell his investments and stop the compounding of his wealth. So this is the level 1. Second level was the mid level. This level was for short term goals, which is typically from 1 year to 3 years, and his short term goal was to buy a car of around 7 to 8 lakh rupees in next 3 years. So this was his second level goal. Third level goal was long term wealth creation, retirement planning, and wealth accumulation, which we call as the growth engine, which is typically 20 plus years ahead in terms of investment horizon. So most people actually skip this entire journey, or the entire categorization of funds, and they just randomly invest, and they don't have clarity about why or for what they are investing. But for Rahul, we did it in a proper manner. So let's look at the foundation layer that we created, which was the emergency stash or emergency fund. Here the context was that the monthly expense of Rahul was around 30,000 per month. So 3 months expense is approximately 90,000 rupees. And as I told you, he already had 80,000 rupees that his father had given him. So we just added another 10,000 rupees in that emergency fund, and we invested that 90,000 rupees into a liquid mutual fund. Why not savings account? Because saving accounts gives you very less interest rate, 3% to 3.5%, 4%. The safety is high, but the problem is that the interest is very low, and the interest is taxed at a level of your income tax slab or debt level taxation. So what we told him, that you invest into liquid funds or arbitrage funds, but he went for liquid funds, where the taxation is on debt itself, debt level, but the return, or the interest in a manner that you get is much higher as compared to a savings account, and that is also highly safe and highly liquid. So you can get the money next day itself when you sell your units. This is the reason why we told him to invest in liquid mutual fund. So without any compromise on safety and better return than a savings bank account, and no lock-in in an FD, we told him that the best solution is to put your emergency cash in a liquid fund about 90,000 rupees. So that gave him mental safety and layer 1 foundation. Then we moved to layer number 2, which is the protection layer. So because he is young and he has started earning, and his parents are living in Maharashtra in a rural village, he is working in Pune, and somewhat his parents are also now financially dependent on him. So he needs to have insurance, both life insurance and health insurance, and both life and health insurance needs to be taken at the right age, and the right age is always the time when you start earning. Okay, and because the premium of insurance keeps on increasing as your age increases. So if you lock the premium when you are young, then you get more cover at a less premium. So for Rahul, we gave him 1 crore term insurance plus 10 lakh rupees health insurance top up for approximately 1400 rupees per month. Now we told him very clearly that 1400 rupees per month is equivalent to 1 or 2 dinners in Pune city. But with 1400 rupees, you are now financially secured both as a term insurance, life insurance plan, and as well as 10 lakh rupees health insurance. He also had a 3 lakh rupees group insurance from his employee, but that is only applicable till he has a job, or if he switches the job and he has a break in between for 2-3 months, then that employee insurance is not going to cover his health costs. So this is the reason why they also gave him 10 lakh rupees health insurance as well. Premium was 1400. If Rahul had not bought this insurance at the age of 24 and had waited like 10-11 years, then for the same coverage he would have to pay 3 to 4 times more in terms of premium. And if he had waited till the age of 45 to buy the same 1 crore term insurance and 10 lakh rupees health insurance, then this 1400 rupees premium he would have to pay 6 to 8 times more just for the same coverage. So this is the reason why the earlier you buy insurance, the better it is for you, because insurance is one product that gets more expensive every year as you delay it. So you have to lock in that premium at a young age. So the third layer is the wealth creation layer for Mr. Rahul. So as he had 15,000 rupees investment capacity, he was paying 1400 rupees for premium of health insurance. He was left with around 12,000 rupees per month. So what we told him is that first goal for him was to have a long-term wealth creation till the age of 55 so that he doesn't have to worry about his financial situation. Second horizon was 30 to 35 years for his retirement, and he could take high risk because there was a lot of time for him to stay invested in the market. So this is the reason why for his 12,000 rupees SIP, we allocated 90% into domestic equity, and that too into flexi cap fund and small and mid cap fund. And we made sure that both of these funds did not have any overlap of the same stocks more than 30%. Okay, so this is the compounding engine which will compound his wealth over the next 30-35 years. And remaining 10% we kept in short duration debt fund. This is just for him to feel psychologically safe and have a cushion whenever the markets will correct, because over the next 30-35 years it is almost guaranteed that the market will correct 30 to 35% multiple times. So in the time when the markets are down, he should not panic and stop his investment or sell off his investment. This is the reason why we have given 10% allocation to short duration debt fund, so that he feels a cushion of safety. Now, very simple maths over here. If we see 12,000 rupees per month invested at 12% CAGR, okay, how much will be the return? In 10 years, the amount will grow to 27.7 lakh rupees. In 20 years, it will grow to 1.2 crore rupees approximately. In 30 years, it will go to 4.2 crore rupees. Now, look at this. From year 0 to year 30, the amount has only grown by to 4.2 crore rupees. But from year 30 to year 35, just in the last 5 years, the amount has grown from 4.2 crores to 7.5 crore rupees. So if you see, the significant amount of wealth creation has happened in the last 5 years of his investment journey. And this is why long-term investing is very, very important. Now, the most important thing that Rahul asked us, that when there will be a crash, what to do? The answer is very simple, that you need to continue your SIP. In fact, in many cases, we suggest our clients to double their SIP or put lump sum amount of money so that they will get more units. So for example, let's see, if the market drops, the unit price or NAV of your mutual fund also drops. So when you continue your fixed SIP buying, that means that you will get more units at a less cost. And when you double your SIP or put a lump sum, when we suggest you during market crash like in 2026 March last month during US-Iran conflict, the people who bought double SIP or 3 times their SIP got the benefit of more units. So whenever the market will recover, they will get much more gain as compared to people who stopped their SIP or who did not double or triple their SIP amount. So a market crash is not your enemy, but stopping the SIP during the crash is your enemy for long-term wealth creation. So never do this mistake. The market rewards patience and penalizes fear. So finally, we had to put a short-term bucket for him for his 8 lakh rupees car purchase goal in the next 3 years. So we told him to do a 20,000 rupees per month SIP as and when his salary increases, or if his expenditure reduces in certain month, just put 20,000 rupees. This was not a fixed SIP. We told him that just invest 20,000 rupees whenever you have the amount saved, and we put that money in a conservative hybrid fund. We told him that it is difficult because it is not a consistent SIP amount, but somehow he was able to reduce his expenses and also put in 20,000 rupees per month into his total total investment. So 20,000 rupees he put in your short-term bucket for 3 years car goal, and 12,000 he put into equity for long-term wealth creation, and around 1,400 rupees he put for his premium per month for insurance. So the lesson here is to never mix your goal buckets. This is the rule. See, 3 years is too short to recover from an equity fund. This is why we told him to put in a hybrid conservative fund. Okay, and remaining amount we told him to invest into the equity fund because the horizon for that fund was much higher. So after 3 years, when we did his review for the portfolio, obviously we do review every quarter, which is every 3 months we do review for all of our clients for their portfolio. But after 3 years, the scenario today is that his income has grown to 1 lakh rupees per month. The action that we have taken is to increase his long-term SIP from 12,000 to 20,000 rupees per month, as his salary has also grown. The car goal SIP has matured and he has purchased a car as well. He got around 6 lakh rupees for the car and another 3 lakh rupees he has taken a loan. Then market has passed through corrections in these last 3 years, but Rahul never panicked. Rahul kept on doing his SIP, and today his portfolio value is around 7.5 to 8 lakh rupees approximately. So his long-term wealth creation foundation is now set. So the important thing to learn here is that time is the only input that money cannot buy in long-term wealth creation. So the best financial decision you can make today is to start, and once you start, you need to stay invested. So this was it about how we helped at Auris Wealth Mr. Rahul, who is 24 years old when he came to us for his investments. Today he is 27 years old, and he is way ahead today through our guidance, through his disciplined investing, as compared to almost, I would say, 80 to 85% of all of his friends and his colleagues in his job, because they never planned at the age of 24 for their finances. They went into credit card debt, they went into expensive holidays, etc. And today, Rahul is way ahead of them in terms of his financial futures safety and financial futures prosperity because of his investment journey and our guidance for him, and most importantly his patience that he kept on investing in his SIP and also followed the plan that we had suggested him. So this is how we help our clients of different age group, different financial situation, etc., to achieve their financial goals and achieve wealth creation for them and their family. So if you feel that you also need proper guidance for your financial goals or your family's wealth creation, then you can book a free portfolio and investment guidance call with us at Auris Wealth. This is absolutely free of cost call. There is no hidden charges or any extra fees that you have to pay us. All you have to do is click the link in the description box below and book your call with us online, and select the date and time on which you want to conduct this call. And on that date and time, we will review your portfolio, discuss with you about your and your family's financial goals, and create a financial plan and long-term wealth creation investment plan for you and your family for free. So make sure that you book the free investment and portfolio guidance call today itself. The link is in the description box below. And if you found this video useful, do subscribe to us at YouTube, and also hit the like button if you found value in this video, and share your questions and thoughts in the comment section as well. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.